In the previous tutorial, what we did was we copied a page and showed what was editable on that page. For this one, we're going to show you how you can customize some of the colors and styles on the page. So first, what we're going to do is show how to change this background. So if you'll come here, there's something called custom snippet, and this is actually how you're going to change any colors on the page or fonts. Go in here, press edit. We're not actually wanting to reuse this administrative leadership CSS. We're going to want to create our own, but first we're going to click edit and go ahead and copy everything that's in there, because that's a really good base to start with. And then we'll click the plus, come here, press paste that there, and then name that snippet something. These snippets are reusable, so if there's some formatting that you actually want to use across multiple pages, you can just create this to be reusable and make a name that makes sense for that. And then what you would do is in this snippet, you would actually select it from this list. So press save. So in order to change that background, we first need to upload a photo. So how you do that is you come here to administration, click on folders, and I went ahead and created a coffee degree folder, but you can organize the images and files how you see fit. So for this example, I had already uploaded an image that we're going to use. So the first thing that we're going to do is click here, click on full size preview, and then copy this entire URL, come back to our page. So you do that by Xing out of all the files, come to this snippet, edit, and then right here you'll change this URL to be our new image. Press save. And click content, and now you'll see our new photos there. But this is a perfect example of how you might want to have a customizable font color for each block. So for this block, this white is not going to work anymore. So we'll come here in the structure, click that snippet again. And then that was block 1, so we'll want to come here and change the color. Let's just say we want it to be black. Press save. And then now it's black. And the reason why this stayed white was we actually had that be white on the text editor. So you can change that to whatever you need it to be. And if you don't want it to have a color, you can come in here and you can either select another color, or what you do is come in here to the source and actually just take away this span that gave it color. And that way it will default to the color that was on that block. So now it's black. This is a really good example also of how you want to make sure that you pick out an image that's going to look all right across the width with a certain color font on top of it. You want to make sure that it's really readable. So the other thing you can do in this section is change this get started to something different. So if you come here, there's a scroll text. You'll add text. The default is get started. Well, let's say you wanted to say get coffee. You want to go to the source and go ahead and remove this paragraph tag. It needs to just be text only. Click content, and now it's changed. So the last thing I want to show you is how to change the background for these blocks. If you'll notice when you're hovering, it will actually show you what block it is. So for this is block 3, this is block 2. So just take note of which one you're wanting to edit. So let's say we want to make block 3 blue. Come here to structure. And again, this is in the snippet. Edit. So that was block 3 that we're wanting to change. So background color. Let's say we want to change that to blue. Save. Save. And now that's blue.